Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a few clown dolls and I love them. I have some that I didn't bring down today because I'm not sure where they are, but this is one of my favorite creepy clown dolls. I love him. Today I'm doing the Dolls Gone Goth Creepy Clown Collab with Dolls UK. Thanks, Jay. This is a really fun one. I went round and round and round in my own head about how I was going to finish Linger, and we'll talk about her in a minute. I love the circus, and I am laughing because my puppy is sitting next to Darren watching me like I am on TV. Darren, see if you can pan down and get... How cute is my puppy? I lost where I was. Anyway, I love clowns, I love the circus, but this is because of Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Jamie got her first custom Blythe doll that was a clown, and I thought, ooh, I like that. And she's like, and if you like these, she always says this in her videos, and if you like these dolls, I'll leave a link below and you can get one too. And then she got another one, and she got another one. And I kept thinking, I want one, but I kind of want to do my own. So anyway, I broke down and I did Petunia. And then for another of the Dolls Gone Goth, I did Bosla. And then I started working on Linger and her outfit. I had not painted her face, but Halloween came and I made this outfit for the cheaper Blythe dolls. They're a different size than the articulated dolls. Then Beth Ramsden and I did 5 days of Christmas, and I used 5 golden rings, so I made a Christmas clown suit. And one thing led to another, and now I have these clowns. Jamie actually sent me this in a Happy Mail. I was hoping to do something about his head, and I thought, well, creepy clowns. So we have a bald one. Who cares? To make my pattern for the clown suits, I took one of my Blythe dolls with no clothing on, and I drew around it, just that simple. And you want to make the pants a little long and the sleeves a little wide. And the reason is you want that bellowing. And then I added lace. What I did was, after I cut my fabric, one color on the front and the other color on the back. In other words, 2 different pieces of fabric, a balloon and the Nightmare Before Christmas for this example. After I cut it out, I just sliced it here and here and here, and then I cut this in half, and then I pieced it. As you can see, I just shook it up and made it different. And then I sewed those pieces together first, and then front to back. This is lace that's tied around that looks like it's come undone there. And it really wasn't that hard to do. I took a pair of these little shoes. I love these little black shoes, and I glued a pom-pom on. And you can do that in all the sizes. I did the same thing for Bosla when I did her little clown suit. I added bells to her. I can't remember if it was the skeleton week or a month. I can't remember which. Pirates, that's what it was. When I did this, she is the entertainer, the dwarf on the pirate ship. And I gave her circus charms on the back. She has the eyes that open and close. She was one of the first clowns I did. This is Linger. Linger has a split personality. And I didn't know which way to go with her face, so I did it pretty simply. I just gave her the blue eyebrows. I did blue on this side, black on that side. She loves everybody half of the time. She'd like to club them the other half of the time. And was she in prison, or does she just have tears of a clown? That's up to you. I like her. I like the way she came out. It's not what I originally had thought, but I love my little Linger clown. I do need to retie this. Because she has a split personality, I also did her beads different. I did the pastels and shiny beads on one side with the circus tent, and I did the other side kind of more dark with her name, Linger, because she lingers, with a court gesture. And it's just kind of fun. I love these Blythe dolls. They are so fun to do the face-ups on. I'm having such fun. And that is my creepy clown who has a split personality, and you never know which side you're going to get. You know how they say, I got by, well, the Beatles said, I get by with a little help from my friends. I do too. If it weren't for Darren, I couldn't have a channel. If it weren't for y'all watching, what good would my channel be? And sometimes you send me things that are amazing. Like I said, Jamie, get me going. And this is from Wednesday and Gilly Together. Now let me read to you what it is. Dear Marna and Darren, this is the official poster, double-sided, of Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights. Each year they have a drawing contest for the team members. These are the winners. I hope you like it. I thought of you for the creepy clown collab you're hosting. And let me tell you how far ahead she thought. Happy Halloween and much love. How cool are my friends?
Thanks for watching. Please go on over to JDolls UK. Take a look at her video too, please. And thank you so much for watching here. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.